The longest I can burp is going to happen right now. That didn't count. Sorry.